Hey, travel pros, don't you love it when something new and exciting happens? A new show rolls out on Netflix, a new ski run opens, or new social marketing updates happen. Well, love it or hate it, there's some really cool new things happening in social marketing right now to get jazzed up about. Well, let's dig in. Here's what's at the top of my list that I'm really excited about. First off, our Instagram Reels. These videos challenge marketers to create attention-grabbing moments in a short 15 to 30 seconds. Challenging? You betcha. There's great news though. We found that 15-second content pieces outperform 30-second content pieces. For example, here's how you could use this. Consider showcasing a fun aspect of a destination, resort, or activity in just 15 seconds. This could be a 15-second zipline experience or a 15-second tour of pool activities. It's all about eye-catching and swipe stopping. 2, video of any kind is still the leader in engagement and reach. But these days, it's all about being authentic and human and having your face on the camera. I know it's tough, but if you really want to rock 2021, flip on your camera today. And 3, careful, you know what they say, old is new again, and that's the case with collages. They're making a huge comeback because collages are eye-catching and they feel new again right now. Plus, you can intermix photos and text in your collage. Check out Canva or PicMonkey to get your creative juices flowing. So go ahead, have some fun in front of the camera and as we turn the calendar and the corner.